pinaka nagustuhan ko sa kanya, yung pagiging malambing niya, tapos maaruga, tapos nagluluto niya ako.
Yung unending support niya sa akin and patience niya din. Pagka mainit yung ulo ko, so lagi niyang pinipili na pagpasensyahan ako and isettle yung problem nang hindi natatapos yung araw.
I will never leave you alone. Sometimes I just forget, say things I might regret. It breaks my heart to see you crying. I don't wanna lose you, I can never make it alone. I am a man who will fight for your honor. I'll be the hero you're dreaming of.
Siguro yung hindi namin napabayaan yung career namin kahit na married na kami and building a family. Kasi we support each other's dream. Siguro yun yung secret doon.
Promises ko, yung aalaga ko siya, mamahalin, susuportahan ko kung gusto niya. Nandiyan ako sa kalbit lagi, yung sa iwan. Tapos hanggang sa huling hininga ko, nandiyan ako sa kalbit.
Every time na may away, pinipili namin or tinatry namin i-settle yun before mag-end yung day. And yun siguro yung pinaka-favorite ko na qualities namin.
You've been dreaming of, we'll live forever, knowing together that we did it all for the glory of love. Just like a knight in shining armor from a long time ago, just in time I will save the day, take you to my castle far away. I am a man who will fight for your honor. I'll be the hero that you're dreaming of. We're gonna live forever, knowing together that we did it all for the glory of love. We'll live forever, knowing together that we did it all.
Gusto ko na maalala kami bilang pagiging matapat, mapagmahal na asawa, maaruga, at saka pagiging mabuting ama't ina sa aming anak.
As a person who came from a broken family, gusto ko na yung legacy na maiwan ko sa susunod na generation na mabubuo namin is isang family na matatag at buo kahit maraming pagsubok na pagdadaanan.
Gusto ko maging maalala ng tao yung pagiging matibay na pagkasama namin at saka yung haba ng pagkasama namin.